Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bible name series. The name which we are going to see today is Achish. Achish was a king of the Philistines, enemies of Israel. The Bible tells us that when David was running away from King Saul, he feared for his life. Although God had already anointed David to be the next king, David was still facing trouble, rejection and danger. In fear, David escaped to Gath, the city ruled by King Achish. The people of Achish recognized David as a great warrior who killed Goliath. David became afraid that Achish might harm him, so David pretended to be insane, scratching the doors and letting saliva run down his beard. Seeing this, Achish said that he did not need another madman in his kingdom, and he allowed David to escape safely. Later, David returned to Achish. This time, he came not in fear, but seeking safety. Achish trusted David so much that he gave him a town called Ziklag. David lived there for more than a year. Although Achish believed David was fighting for him, David was actually protecting Israel secretly. Achish did not understand David's true mission. He only saw David as a loyal servant. But David's loyalty was to God above any king. In the end, when the Philistines prepared to fight Israel, Achish tried to bring David to war with them. But God protected David again. The other Philistine rulers refused to allow David to join the battle. Even in a foreign land, God kept David safe and prevented him from fighting against God's own people. Achish teaches us that even rulers who do not follow God can become instruments in God's plan without knowing it. God used Achish to protect David during a dangerous time. David also teaches us something important. Even when we are afraid or confused, we must remain faithful to God's mission. Sometimes life becomes hard or difficult, just like the meaning of Achish's name. But God's hand is still leading. His plan continues even when people around us do not understand it. God guards his children, opens path, and protects their future. Just like David trusted God while living under Achish, we must trust God when circumstances seem strange or uncertain. God is always in control. Thanks for watching. See you again with another name from the Bible.